Yo, there's something happening to your Workflows tool and the tool that you love and possibly used. Yo, we're going to hook into the web. What? You know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right. It's your boy George B from Sprocket Talk, aka Impulse Creative, and we have a update for you if you are a professional user or user of HubSpot and you've used Workflows and Webhooks together. Look, they're doing a packaging change on Webhooks in Workflows. Now, what is it? Well, as of November 1st, 2018, the trigger, a webhook action in Workflows, will be available to HubSpot Enterprise customers only. I see a pattern happening with some of these updates coming through Sprocket Talk. If you're a HubSpot professional customer before that date, you'll be grandfathered in and will continue to have the ability to use webhooks. Why is this important? Well, HubSpot, obviously they have all the data, and HubSpot's making this change on webhooks to align their packaging with the types of users who typically use this tool. People primarily use webhooks to do two main things. One, to integrate tools, and two, to send to a custom database. Both of these really show more enterprise level companies. The vast majority of customers using webhooks in Workflows are already HubSpot Enterprise customers, and HubSpot believes that this will be a better way to serve their needs going forward. Now, what about Workflow Extensions? That's a thing that's kind of going to replace the webhooks for you professional users, and it's kind of new. You may have heard of it, maybe not. Workflow Extensions allow HubSpot integrators or Connect partners to build custom branded actions inside of Workflows that can be configured by customers directly from the Workflows tool. I gotta imagine that's gonna give us more flexibility and adaptability to the things that we're trying to do. HubSpot's been working with a handful of Connect partners to build out some beta Workflow extension actions. I can't wait to see them, but if you are a professional user, know that you're grandfathered in. If you ever talk to anybody about the tool and what you do in HubSpot, make sure that if they're new to HubSpot that you don't talk about webhooks, because they're going to be like, hey, you said we could, and then you're like, anyway. Do you like these tutorials, these updates? Make sure you head over to sprockettalk.com/FB. That'll take you right to our private Facebook group where we can carry on the conversation. Also, make sure you check out sprockettalk.com/audio and /video where you can take this podcast on the move with you, because we know savvy marketers, sales professionals, and service professionals, they're busy, busy people. Check out our Facebook page and our YouTube channel where you can hit the bells, the likes, the subscribes, so we know that you're part of the community. Do you need training past this update? That's what we do. I mean, really, that's what we do. 1 and 2 day workshops as well as weekly trainings. In the future, make sure you check out these workflow extensions. They could be very powerful for your marketing moving forward. And while you're checking out that power, make sure you go out into the world and do some happy HubSpotting.